Hello student, welcome in today's session. In last video, we have seen that law of independent assortment, that is the dihybrid cross and dihybrid test cross, dihybrid back cross. Today, we are going to see some important formulae which are used in the problems of genetics. The problems which are comes in the NEET exam, CET exam, that needs some important formulae that we learn today. आपल्याला काही फॉर्म्युले बघायचे जेणेकरून आपल्याला काही प्रॉब्लेम्स सॉल्व्ह करता आले पाहिजे. तर त्यासाठी आपल्याला एक टॅब्युलर फॉर्म मध्ये थोडीशी इन्फॉर्मेशन बघायची. दॅट फर्स्ट कॉलम आपण स्टडी करूयात. दॅट नंबर ऑफ ट्रेड्स और हायब्रिड्स. एनी इंडिव्हिज्युअल विच आर heterozygous for the traits. What is mean by heterozygous? Heterozygous means made up of dissimilar alleles. Suppose consider the monohybrid individual. The individual which are having all the characters similar in nature, but they are differentiated in a single pair of a contrasting character, that is called as monohybrid. That individual is hybrid. Obviously it is hybrid, but it is hybrid in a single contrasting character that get differentiated from their parents in a single pair of contrasting character. It is made up of two homozygous parents which are differentiated in a single pair of contrasting character, and that number of hybrid or number of traits or number of heterozygotes. Suppose in monohybrid we have seen that capital T small t, it is a single heterozygous condition. It is a single trait. हे एकच कॅरेक्टर आहे ज्याला आपण काय म्हणतो हाइट ऑफ अ स्टेप. It contains a gene for tallness, it contains a gene for dwarfness, but it is a heterozygous tall. It is one heterozygous. It contains one trait. It is having a concentration of one trait. Number of trait किंवा हायब्रिड कशाने दाखवतो आपण n नी दाखवतो. इथे किती आहे हेटेरोझायगस कंडिशन किंवा नंबर ऑफ ट्रेट किती आहे 1 आहे. तर आपण बघूया दॅट नंबर ऑफ ट्रेट्स or hybrid, or it is also called as heterozygous. Heterozygotes. Number of heterozygotes किंवा number of traits किंवा hybrid कशाने दाखवतो आपण. It is symbolized by the n. And when or if when n is equal to 1. When n is equal to 1. Then what will be the tabular information? Then its information काय असेल जर n is equal to 1 असेल. When the number of trait or the number of hybrid or the number of heterozygote is represented by 1. जेव्हा number of heterozygotes किंवा हायब्रिडचा नंबर 1 असेल, जेव्हा कॅरेक्टर एकच कॉन्सन्ट्रेट केलेला असेल, that time this calculation how it is to be done. That ठीक आहे बघा एक्सपेरिमेंट टाइप काय असेल दॅट टाइम व्हेन n इज इक्वल टू 1 हायब्रिड्स आर 1 दॅट टाइम दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट इट इज कॉल्ड as monohybrid. That time it is called as monohybrid. Means there is a single trait which is to be concentrated. There is a single hybrid or single heterozygote condition. Therefore n is equal to 1 and the experiment type is monohybrid. ठीक है. Then in the monohybrid experiment, what is the number of gametes? We have the formula directly, but in monohybrid cross we have to calculate by the cross example. आपल्याला monohybrid cross मध्ये cross नी दाखवला जावं लागतं, पण इथे आपल्याला डायरेक्ट फॉर्म्युला दिलेला आहे. Because in NEET each question gets the time less than the 45 seconds. Therefore we have to calculate it fastly as early as possible and by this use of by these formulas. ठीक आहे. देन बघा तुम्ही नंबर ऑफ गॅमेट्स मोनोहायब्रिड मध्ये कसे तयार होतात. तर दॅट व्हेन कॅपिटल टी स्मॉल टी इट इज separated with capital T small t, then there is a segregation of genes and that segregation of gene nothing but the gamete. Here each individual it produces how many gametes? It produces 2 gametes. But with the help of formula we can calculate that. See, when n is equal to 1, number of gametes are calculated by 2 to the power of n. Then put up the value of n is equal to 1 in 2 to the power of n. 2 to the power of n आहे. त्यामुळे आपण n च्या जागी 1 ठेवूया. 2 to the power of 1. How it is calculated is equal to 2. Number of gametes are 2. See that When n is equal to 1, the experiment type is monohybrid. And how many gametes are formed in the monohybrid experiment? That 2 to the power of n. And in monohybrid experiment, n is equal to 1. Therefore, put the value of n is equal to 1 into 2 to the power of n. That is 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. That means 2 gametes are formed in this experiment. Monohybrid experiment मध्ये किती गॅमेट तयार होतात यावरून आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केलेले आहे that there is a formation of 2 gametes in the monohybrid experiment. Then what is the number of offsprings which is formed in the monohybrid experiment? तुम्हाला माहितच आहे that capital T small t it is crossed with the capital T small t. First they are segregated capital T small t, capital T small t. Then calculation of individual capital T, capital T, capital T small t, capital T small t, small t small t. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many individuals are formed? 4. But it takes very more time. Therefore, we are calculated this example by the formula that is the gamete square. Number of offsprings, they are calculated by the gamete square. Gamete, how many gametes are formed? 2 gametes are formed. Then 2 square. In monohybrid experiment, how many gametes are formed? 2 gametes are formed. Therefore, 2 square, it is nothing but the 4. That means there is a formation of 4 offsprings in the monohybrid experiment. इथे आपण कॅल्क्युलेशन करून दाखवलेलं आहे पण इथे डायरेक्ट फॉर्म्युला दिलेला आहे की जेवढे गॅमेट तयार होतील त्याच्या दुप्पट काय असतील ऑफस्प्रिंग्स असतील. हाऊ मेनी प्रोजेनीज, हाऊ मेनी इंडिव्हिज्युअल और हाऊ मेनी ऑफस्प्रिंग्स फॉर्म्ड इन द मोनोहायब्रिड एक्सपेरिमेंट इट इज डबल टू द गॅमेट फॉर्मेशन. जेवढे गॅमेट्स असतील त्याच्या डबल काय तयार होतील ऑफस्प्रिंग्स तयार होतील. ठीक आहे. देन नेक्स्ट वन दॅट इज द नंबर ऑफ फिनोटाइप. किती फिनोटाइप तयार होतील? दॅट मीन्स एक्सटर्नल अपीयरन्स किती प्रकारचे तयार होतील. नंबर ऑफ फिनोटाइप काय असेल तर आपल्याकडे फॉर्म्युला आहे 2 to the power of n. अगेन it is similar to the number of gametes, means number of gametes and the number of phenotype both are equal to each other. That means again when n is equal to 1, 2 to the power of n, the number of phenotypes of formula 2 to the power of n, that is the 2 to the power of 1, that means 2. How many phenotypes are formed? 2 phenotypes are formed. That means the phenotypic ratio of F2 generation in a monohybrid cross, that is 3:1. 3 organisms they are tall and 1 organism is dwarf about the 4. 4 पैकी 3 इंडिव्हिज्युअल टॉल फॉर्म होतात आणि एक इंडिव्हिज्युअल ड्वार्फ फॉर्म होतं. It gives the phenotypic ratio of that particular cross, monohybrid cross, and phenotypic ratio means nothing but the ratio which gives the amount of external appearance. किती प्रकारचे एक्सटर्नल अपीयरन्स, किती प्रकारचे मॉर्फोलॉजिकल स्ट्रक्चर आपल्याला दिसतात. तर इथे आपल्याला दिसेल की नंबर ऑफ फिनोटाइप किती आहेत? 2 तयार होत आहेत. दॅट टॉल अँड ड्वार्फ. फिनोटिपिकली द ऑफस्प्रिंग्स आर डिफरेंशिएटेड इन ओनली 2 टाइप्स. बट हाऊ द नंबर ऑफ जीनोटाइप्स, जीनोटाइप किती प्रकारचे भेटतात आपल्याला? That it is given by the 3 to the power of n. We know n is equal to 1 and 3 to the power of n means 3 to the power of 1 is equal to 3. That means number of genotype are 3. Number of phenotype are 2 and the number of genotype are 3. Again, we have seen the offsprings of F2, capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, small t, small t. This is one of the genotype. These 2 genotype are same. This is one of the genotype. And the genotypic ratio of F2 generation in a monohybrid cross is 1:2:1. 1 capital T, 2 capital T, small t, 1 small t, small t. That means there is a formation of 3 types of offsprings. 1 capital T, these capital T small t another type and third type small t small t. म्हणजे 3 प्रकारचे ऑफस्प्रिंग्स जीनोटिपिकली आपल्याला मिळतात. म्हणून नंबर ऑफ जीनोटाइप किती येतात? 3 to the power of n and put the value of n is equal to 1 in the 3 to the power of n. That means it is equal to the 3. हे 3 च्या बरोबरीला येतं. तर नंबर ऑफ जीनोटाइप किती असतील? 3 असतील. Again we will revise this table for the monohybrid cross. See the number of traits or hybrids or the heterozygotes in a monohybrid cross. किती ट्रेट कॉन्सन्ट्रेट केले जातात, किती हायब्रिड फॉर्म होतात किंवा हेटेरोझायगोटिक कंडिशन किती आहे? ओनली 1. When n is equal to 1, what will be the information next? That exponent type it is called as monohybrid when n is equal to 1. How many gametes are formed in the monohybrid experiment? 2 to the power of n. That means n is equal to 1 and 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. How many gametes are formed in monohybrid experiment? 2. That is capital T and small t. Number of offsprings formed in the monohybrid experiment. किती offsprings तयार होतात या एक्सपेरिमेंट मध्ये, ज्याला आपण मोनोहायब्रिड एक्सपेरिमेंट म्हणू. दॅट मोनोहायब्रिड एक्सपेरिमेंट मध्ये नंबर ऑफ ऑफस्प्रिंगचा फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला डायरेक्टली दिलेला आहे. दॅट इज द गॅमेट स्क्वेअर. How many gametes are formed? That offsprings are double to the number of gametes. That number of offsprings is equal to gamete square. Gametes are 2. Therefore, 2 square is 4. 4 offsprings are formed in the monohybrid experiment. And how many phenotypes are formed? 2 to the power of n and n is equal to 1. Therefore, 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. And 2 phenotypes are formed in the monohybrid experiment. That is the tall and dwarf. Then how many genotypes are formed? That 3 to the power of n. आपण म्हणू की 3 to the power of n when n is equal to 1. Therefore 3 to the power of 1 is equal to 3. त्याला आपण काय म्हणूया? 3 आहे हे म्हणजे 3 प्रकारचे जीनोटाइप आपल्याला मिळतील which explain why the genotypic ratio 1:2:1. That 1 is capital T capital T, 2 are capital T small t and 1 is small t small t. ठीक है. This table we will extend for the dihybrid crosses. हाच टेबल आपल्याला कुणासाठी करायचा आहे? डायहायब्रिड क्रॉस साठी करायचा आहे. अँड वी नो व्हॉट इज डायहायब्रिड. डायहायब्रिड कशाला म्हणू आपण? जसं मोनोहायब्रिड आपण कशाला म्हटलेलं? when organism is differentiated in a single pair of contrasting character. When an organism is heterozygote for a single pair of contrasting character, that time it is called as a monohybrid. But when organism is a heterozygous for a two pair of contrasting character and which is made up of a cross between two homozygous parents which are differentiated in two pair of contrasting character. जेव्हा एखादा ऑर्गॅनिझम अशा दोन पॅरेंट्स पासून अशा दोन होमोझायगस ऑर्गॅनिझम पासून तयार होतो ज्याचे बाकीचे कॅरेक्टर तर सेम आहेत किंवा डिफरंट आहेत माहित नाही, बट टू कॅरेक्टरचे पेअर एकमेकांपेक्षा कसे वेगळे आहेत आणि जो ऑर्गॅनिझम दोन कॅरेक्टरसाठी एकमेकांपासून वेगळा असतो त्याला आपण डायहायब्रिड म्हणू. जसं दॅट an individual which is having a cross between the yellow and round and another green and wrinkled, their F1 offsprings are yellow round, capital Y small y, capital R small r. That is the dihybrid. हा dihybrid असेल and in that condition n is equal to, त्या कंडिशन मध्ये n is equal to काय असते? 2 असते. का? नंबर ऑफ ट्रेट किती कॉन्सन्ट्रेट केलेत आपण? 2. डायहायब्रिड क्रॉस मध्ये किती कॅरेक्टर आपण कॉन्सन्ट्रेट केलेत? 2 कॅरेक्टर कॉन्सन्ट्रेट केलेत. अँड that means it contains two heterozygous condition. It having a pair of two dissimilar alleles. Means it having a dissimilar allele चे दोन pairs त्यांच्याकडे असतात. Then experiment type ला काय म्हणू? त्या experiment type ला आपण म्हणूया that is the dihybrid experiment. That condition it is called as dihybrid experiment. Okay? When n is equal to 2, condition is called as dihybrid experiment. It contains two heterozygous condition. नंबर ऑफ ट्रेट्स किंवा नंबर ऑफ कॅरेक्टर किती असतील? 2 असतील. हाऊ मेनी नंबर ऑफ गॅमेट्स? नंबर ऑफ गॅमेट्स किती असतील? दॅट नंबर ऑफ गॅमेट्स इज इक्वल टू 2 to the power of n and n is equal to 2. Put up the value of n. That means किती गॅमेट तयार होतात? 4. बघूयात आपण कसे तयार होतात? कॅपिटल Y स्मॉल y कॅपिटल R स्मॉल r into capital Y small y capital R small r. First there is a segregation of gene capital Y small y capital R small r by the random fusion and independent assortment. That means formation of a group. संग्रह तयार होतात genes चे, alleles चे. Formation of a group of alleles without depending upon each other. Each pair of contrasting character form its own groups, but they are without depending upon the other pair of contrasting character. That means capital Y can form pair with the capital R. Capital Y also can form with the small r. Small y can pair with the capital R. It can also form with the pair with a small r. Again, the 4 types of gametes are continued here. The second individual, it is having that same type of gametes. ठीक है? हे 4 gametes पुन्हा त्याच प्रकारचे बनतात. म्हणजे gametes किती तयार होतात? That 4 types of gametes are formed in the dihybrid experiment. That these number of gametes formed in this condition, that is the 4. किती gametes तयार होतात? 4 gametes तयार होतात. Then how many offsprings are formed in the experiment? या experiment मध्ये किती offsprings तयार होतात? किती individual तयार होतात? That is equal to the gamete square. That means how many gametes are formed? 4 gametes are formed and gametesचा square म्हणजे 4 चा square म्हणजे किती होते? 16. There is a formation of a 16 individual in this cross. किती individual तयार होतात? 16. बघा गॅमेट किती तयार होतात? n is equal to 2, 2 to the power of n, 2 to the power of 2, 4 gametes are formed in the dihybrid and number of offsprings is gamete square. गॅमेट किती तयार होतात? 4. 4 चा स्क्वेअर म्हणजे 16 इंडिव्हिज्युअल 16 ऑफस्प्रिंग्स dihybrid एक्सपेरिमेंट मध्ये तयार होतात. अगेन द नंबर ऑफ फिनोटाइप, किती प्रकारचे फिनोटाइप तयार होतात? 2 to the power of n and n is equal to 2. That means there is a formation of 4 phenotypes. The phenotypic ratio of a dihybrid cross, it will be given by the 9:3:3:1. 9 are yellow round, 3 are yellow wrinkled. I am giving only short forms. Then 3 are green round and 1 is green wrinkled. ठीक है? This is the phenotypic ratio of a dihybrid cross and it will give how many types of phenotype? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 types of phenotypes are there. 2 are parental and 2 are new combination. That means we are getting the 4 types of phenotype in the dihybrid cross experiment. किती मिळतात? 4 प्रकारचे phenotype आपल्याला dihybrid cross मध्ये मिळतात. How many number of genotypes are found in this experiment? या एक्सपेरिमेंट मध्ये किती प्रकारचे जीनोटाइप तयार होतात? देन इट विल गिवन बाय द जीनोटिपिक रेशो. जीनोटिपिक रेशो काय आहे बघा डायहायब्रिड क्रॉसचा. इट विल गिवन बाय द 1:2, 2:2, 2:4, 1:2, 2:1, 1:2:1. That means there is a formation of 9 types of genotypic expressions is there. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 types of genotypes are formed in the dihybrid cross. That means we can calculate it by the formula number of genotype, that is 3 to the power of n and n is equal to 2. 3 into 3, 9 genotypes are formed in this experiment. 9 प्रकारचे जीनोटाइप तयार होतात जे आपल्याला जीनोटिपिक रेशोने दाखवले जातात. There is a formation of individuals. They are differentiated phenotypically into 4 types, but they are differentiated genotypically into 9 types. Genotype ने पाहिलं तर 9 प्रकारचे individual मिळतील, but phenotype ने पाहिलं तर आपल्याला 4 प्रकारचे individual मिळतील. We are knowing all this theory by the theoretical information, but we can calculate all this information by the some important formulas जे आपण या टेबल मध्ये बघत आहोत आणि याच्यावर खूप सारे प्रॉब्लेम नीट मध्ये विचारले जातात. नेक्स्ट आपण हाच टेबल तयार करूया. सपोज n is equal to 3. Number of hybrids. If number of hybrids are 3 and that cross is called as trihybrid cross, but we don't have the practice of trihybrid cross. But in polygenic inheritance, one of the formation of mulattoes organism, black crossed with the white persons, then this mating result into formation of mulattoes. Means आपल्याला ट्रायहायब्रिड क्रॉस एक शेवटी एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे ते आपल्याला पूर्ण नाही केलं तरी गॅमेटच्या फॉर्मेशन पर्यंत करायचं आहे. नेक्स्ट काही व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण ट्रायहायब्रिड क्रॉस बघूया. बट बघा वेन नंबर ऑफ ट्रेड्स, जर 3 ट्रेड्स किंवा 3 हायब्रिड कॉन्सन्ट्रेट केले तर n is equal to किती धरायचं? दॅट व्हेन दॅट कन्सिडर n is equal to 3 when ट्रेड्स आर 3, hybrid is trihybrid and heterozygous condition किती असतील? 3 असतील. When n is equal to 3, that experiment is called as trihybrid experiment. त्या एक्सपेरिमेंटला आपण काय म्हणणार? That experiment it is called as trihybrid experiment. ठीक आहे? And that time n is equal to 3, number of gametes किती तयार होतील? 2 to the power of n and n is equal to 3. That means 2 into 2 into 2. Number of gametes are 8. 8 gametes are found in that experiment. आणि आपण कसे तयार होणार आहेत ते बघू. पण इथं तात्पुरतं आपण फॉर्म्युल्यानुसार बघायचं आहे. That number of offsprings, how many offsprings are formed in this experiment? Gamete square. And how many gametes are formed? 8. 8 square, that is the 64. 64 individual are found in the trihybrid cross. Total किती individual तयार होतात 64. 64 squares are produced in the Punnett square. Then number of phenotype 2 to the power of n, 2 to the power of 3, n is equal to 3. It is 8. लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे, number of phenotype is equal to the number of gametes in every experiment. गॅमेटची संख्या आणि फिनोटाइपची संख्या सारखीच असते. आणि नंबर ऑफ जीनोटाइप, किती जीनोटाइप तयार होते? इट इज 3 to the power of n, that is 3. That means 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 27. 27 type of genotype we are found in the trihybrid cross experiment. आणि 27 प्रकारचे जीनोटाइप आपल्याला ट्रायहायब्रिड क्रॉस एक्सपेरिमेंट मध्ये बघतात. Again we will revise this tabular information which is needed for the problems of the genetics. जेनेटिक्सच्या प्रॉब्लेम साठी आपल्याला हा टेबल माहिती पाहिजे. हे मुद्दे पाठ करून घ्या आणि हा टेबलचा एक स्क्रीनशॉट करून घरी त्याची प्रॅक्टिस करा, जे तुम्हाला उपयोगी पडतील. ठीक आहे. दॅट नंबर ऑफ ट्रेड्स और हायब्रिड्स, व्हेन नंबर ऑफ ट्रेड्स और हायब्रिड्स और हेटेरोझायगस कंडिशन इज 1, नंबर ऑफ ट्रेड जेव्हा एकच कॉन्सन्ट्रेट केले जातात त्यावेळेस एक्सपेरिमेंटला आपण काय म्हणू, दॅट टाइम एक्सपेरिमेंट इट इज कॉल्ड एज मोनोहायब्रिड. देन number of gametes found in the monohybrid experiment 2 to the power of n is equal to 1, therefore 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. How many offsprings are found? 2 square or gamete square means 2 square, 4 offsprings are found. Number of phenotype 2 to the power of n, 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. 2 phenotypes are found. And number of genotype 3 to the power of n, 3 to the power of 1, therefore 3 genotypes are formed. Okay? When n is equal to 2, experiment it is called as dihybrid experiment and gametes are formed 2 to the power of 2, 4 gametes are formed. Number of offsprings are formed, gamete square, gametes are 4 and 4 square is equal to 16 offsprings are formed in dihybrid experiment. Then number of phenotype formed in dihybrid experiment, that is 2 to the power of n, that n is equal to 2, 2 to the power of 2, 4 phenotypes are formed in dihybrid experiment. And it will confirm by the phenotypic ratio in dihybrid cross. Again the number of genotype 3 to the power of n and n is equal to 2, therefore 3 to the power of 2, that is 9 types of genotypes are formed in the dihybrid experiment, which is shown by, that is genotypic ratio 1:2:2:4, 1:2:1:2:1, 12 24 12 12 1 असं आपण त्याला लक्षात ठेवू शकतो. Then when n is equal to 3, that experiment it is called as trihybrid. Number of trait concentrated, that is the 3 contrasting pairs are concentrated. That time the number of gametes are formed 2 to the power of n is equal to 3, 2 to the power of 3, 8 gametes are formed. Then number of offsprings, that is the gamete square, gamete are 8, 8 square is equal to 64, 64 individuals or offsprings are formed in the trihybrid. Then number of phenotype 2 to the power of n, 2 to the power of 3, because n is equal to 3, 8 phenotypes are found in trihybrid. And lastly the number of genotype 3 to the power of n is equal to 3. Put the value of n is equal to 3 in this formula, 3 to the power of 3, that is 3 into 3 into 3. 27 types of genotypes are found in trihybrid experiment. This table we will extend it for the monohybrid, dihybrid and trihybrid. Suppose example, we are having the number of traits. Therefore, number of gametes are found by the human beings female and human being male. ठीक आहे. हा कुठल्याही प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये इंडिव्हिज्युअल्सचे जर नंबर ऑफ गॅमेट्स दिले असतील तर तुम्हाला ऑफस्प्रिंग्स कॅल्क्युलेट करता आले पाहिजेत, तुम्हाला फिनोटाइप कॅल्क्युलेट करता आले पाहिजेत, एनचा नंबर दिल्यानंतर तुम्हाला काहीही कॅल्क्युलेट करता आलं पाहिजे. ठीक आहे. दिस इज द इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर्म्युला युज्ड इन द जेनेटिक्स. देन दॅट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. In next video, we will see the deviations to the Mendelian genetics, that is the post-Mendelian genetics. मेंडलच्या थिअरीला काही अपोजिशन्स आपण बघणार आहोत. याला रिवाइज करा, याचे प्रॉब्लेम्स सॉल्व करून बघा बुक्समधून. हां, बुक्स यूज करायचे तर टॉपर्सचे ट्रुमॅन एलिमेंटरी बायोलॉजी हे बुक्स तुम्ही यूज करू शकता. ठीक आहे. थँक्यू. प्लीज लाईक अँड शेअर माय व्हिडिओ अँड सबस्क्राईब फॉर माय यूट्यूब चॅनल. थँक्स.